What should you consider while gathering requirements? Select 2. Option A. Customers' expectations. Option B. Testing processes. Option C. Business processes. Option D. Life cycle model. Option E. Developers' expectations. The correct answer is option A, C. When naming a requirement, which names are valid? Select 3. Option A. Flight / ticket. Option B. Flight to the power of ticket. Option C. Flight _ ticket. Option D. Flight ticket. Option E. Flight ticket. Option F. Flight ticket. The correct answer is option C, E, F. Which entities can be associated with a requirement? Option A. Tests, defects, and non-hierarchical requirements. Option B. Tests, defects, and linked requirements. Option C. Cycles, releases, tests, defects, and requirements. Option D. Releases, business components, tests, defects, and requirements. The correct answer is option C. Which tool enables you to export data from Quality Center to a Microsoft Word document? Option A. Word Document Generator. Option B. Document Generator. Option C. Data Exporter. Option D. Data Export Wizard. The correct answer is option B.